Kasi, ano yan eh, well, I was really harsh pala dati sa sarili ko. But, it didn't stop me to write new songs and to grow, to develop myself more in terms of being a songwriter and also learning more about myself dun sa side or sa aspect na you're gonna enter an industry na mas harsh pa sa'yo. But, it's up to you. It's up to you if you're strong enough, if you're strong-willed enough to be your own best friend. Kasi ako, para sa akin, myself is my worst enemy. And it can be, it still can. As long as nandyan yung pressure sa'yo, nandyan ka na lagi mong pinagsasalitaan yung sarili mo ng ganito. Diba? It can be your worst friend, it can be your worst enemy, but it can also be your best friend. Yun yung sarili mo. So, ako, masasabi ko sa sarili ko, I'm really, really proud of him. Because he didn't stop. And I just know he will not stop. Kasi, di ba, parang that time I was, kumbaga, sa Bible, parang akong nasa drought. I didn't know where to go. I didn't know who to trust. So I trusted myself. I got to know myself. And through that, I saw gardens. Kasi parang, iniisip natin kasi we have this certain expectations within ourselves na kailangan garden agad to lahat. Kailangan may puno, may flowers agad. Pero di ba, everything starts with small things. Na parang kahit may onting plant lang dyan, if you let it grow, if you let it, consistently, if you let it grow, if you take care of it, lalago at lalago yung mga bagay na yan. So, yeah, sasabihin ko, everything starts with small things. And then, you may be small now, where you can be big, and even bigger than your dreams. So, ayun.